How are you mga katami? Narito na naman, huguterang kusinera, Happy Tummy Filipina, and we're going to cook pork broccoli with chayote. To get updated with my new videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Ingredients with exact measures are listed at below description box. We shall start cooking by adding ample amount of oil at the skillet. And then, let's add pork. May tanong ako, baboy ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, peg kita. I love you. Oops. Sorry, di ko napigilan. Let us also add the chicken liver. Actually, I prefer chicken liver. That's why I use it instead of pork liver. But it depends on your preference. Whatever you want. May tanong ako. Atay ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, atay na atay ako sa'yo eh. Let's add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Ang paminta parang puso din yan eh. Buo na, pero dinurog pa. Then let's add the onion. Let's add the garlic. Actually, the pork, you can see it produces its oil. So don't put too much oil because the pork itself produces oil. You can use other meat like beef or chicken if you don't want to eat pork. Now I'm adding the tomatoes. I want to ask, are you tomatoes?
Why?
Because I like you. From my head, tomatoes.
Oh no!
Allow the meat to turn into golden brown. This is actually optional, but I added corn to add more taste and flavor to this sauted broccoli and chayote. Then I add chayote now. Advice ko sa'yo, piliin mong magmahal ng sayote. Bakit? Para siguradong sayote. Then I added the pork cube. It's your option if you wanted to melt first the pork cube at hot water or directly put it since I'm going to put water later on. Then I add the fish sauce. Then add the bell pepper. The color doesn't matter, whatever you want, if you want red or if you want green bell pepper. Then let's add sugar. Naalala ko lang, para kang asukal. Sweet, pero magaspang. Add the broccoli. Broccoli is called superfood as it is low in calories and contains wealth of nutrients and antioxidants. It is a good source of fibers and protein as it contains iron, potassium, calcium, and various vitamins including folic acid. Add about half cup of water. Cover and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now it's done. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for you to get updated to my new videos. Ba-ba.